Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. What is going on? You guys all awake? It's money time. Let's go. I'm just gonna give it a couple minutes, guys. Let some people hop on, and we will get started. Spy's looking juicy though. Spy is looking juicy. All right, let's get into it. So first things first. Uh, if you're looking at my chart right now, last night I made a video and we had a couple key levels. We had a buy zone and we had a short zone. The first level that we have is 533.07, and the next level that we have is 532.68. This, as of right now, is my level 4 calls. If we end up gapping down, we start coming down towards market open, guys, and we come back up to this level, it's no longer a call level. It's going to be a short level. This is the range that I am looking at to be buying calls. We have an open gap to fill at 534.01. This was the previous close of SPY on Friday. This is going to be the make or break level for SPY. Once we end up rejecting 533.07, which was the previous all-time high, and 532.68, which was the low of Thursday and the previous roof of Wednesday, we made the roof support and then we moved higher. This is the reason why this range right here is going to be the best level to be buying either position, okay? It's either going to be a sell range or it's going to be a call range. And we are waiting for a roof to develop to hit puts, and or we are waiting for a floor to develop to be hitting calls. First reaction, I want calls. As you could tell, the 30-minute time frame, pretty much all the time frames but the 4-hour and the daily are pretty bearish at the moment. But this is still the range that we're going to be watching. So we got the PCP, 5-minute charts very bearish right now, so I'm not extremely bullish until this range. We test these range and end up holding support. If we end up rejecting this level, where are we going to? Easy. First things first, guys, we're going to be going down to 531.85. This is going to be another good area to be hitting calls at. The next level down, we got 531, and then we have 530. Upside potential. We end up holding this level for support. Where are we going? First price target, 534. I would love to bring 532 calls deep in the money to 534. We hold PCP as support. We will rip to 535.19. When it comes to GME, guys, GME, we had a key level from the video last night at $26.25. This is the level that I am looking at to potentially be buying shares. We bounced off of there on Friday. We have not tested it this morning in the pre-market, So I'm going to be waiting for this level to hit, and I'm going to be waiting to see how we react to this level. Because if we reject this level, it's going to be a $3 drop to 523.26. We reject that level, $20.42 is going to be the best level that I'm going to be paying attention to be able to be buying shares. I'm not going to touch options on meme stocks. I will be buying shares. Everything else, we're just going to wait for the market. There is no news today. So if you're listening to this video right now or you're on the Discord, every single morning, we want to be marking out the previous highs, the previous lows of the day, the previous closing price. You're going to be wanting to find roofs and floors on the 5-minute time frame or whatever time frame that you scalp on. I personally do the 5-minute. Dimitri does the 1 minute. And then you want to go to forexfactory.com and check to see which news is being released every single day. You want to know this. You don't want to be stuck in a trade with news, right? The red folders and the orange folders move the market. The yellow folders don't really move the market, but you just don't want to be in a trade with news. So always keep an eye on that. It's a free website. It's called the forexfactory.com, and they will tell you all the news for the upcoming days and weeks. So that's pretty much my game plan. Dimitri's going to hop on here pretty shortly, and he will be probably going over his game plan. So that's pretty much it, guys. We are at my dip buying range, right? Until I'm bullish at this level until it ends up being a roof, and then I'm going to switch sides and ride this down. So I'm either getting 532 calls or 532 puts at this level. We have to wait and see. It is good practice to not trade the first 5-minute candle or the first 5 minutes. Most volatile time is the first 5 minutes of market open. Be very, very careful. It's good practice to just let the first 5 minutes, guys, and don't do anything. No problem, Super Dad Dusty. All right. Money Mondays. Let's get it, guys. Remember, it takes one trade a day. One trade a day. You do not need to be trading all day. You do not have to be trading all day. It takes one good setup to get you green. Best thing to do is to make a daily routine, guys. At 10:30, go do something. 11 to 11:30, right? Then have lunch 11:30, blah, blah, blah. Come back for 1 o'clock if you have not hit a trade. Every time you get a winning trade, start reducing your position size. Don't be hitting the same plays with the same amount of contracts. You will end up net neutral. You hit a trade with 10 contracts. The next trade hit 5. If you want to continue trading after that, hit 3, right? Just always be cutting down your contracts or you will end up going nowhere. Hit the best size, the best position with the best size. Anything else, start scaling back. Dimitri, you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm just charting. I didn't do anything. I didn't even look at charts all weekend.
Okay, no worries.
Finishing up my lines. How's everybody doing?
Good, man. You guys all have a good weekend? Remember, if you guys are new here, we specialize in options trading for SPY. So if you're on YouTube and you see us, we specialize in options trading.
All right. So what I'm looking at, guys, we're literally right at the bounce area at 532.70, and I want 534.25 for puts, a little bit higher than PCP. And that's it. There is sloping resistance from the high of day all the way to pre-market which is here. If you look at my screen, you'll see it. A lot of resistance going up. There's the trend line going down, there's PCP, and there's the break of structure point. So we gotta clear 3 resistances.
Yes, sir. I agree. We're still at support, guys. We're holding Thursday's low.
Yeah, that's where I like calls,
Yep.
just to try it out.
Exactly, Trouble. Take your time, man. It's all about picking the best setups. That's it. You're on a losing streak. Do not be scared to take some time off, guys. Reset, right? Education is key. Keep educating yourself.
I personally think today's gonna be a very boring day.
Me too.
Market usually tends to be boring before FOMC and CPI. So let's hit it and quit it. It's gonna be very boring. Don't forget where VIX is at, guys. Under 13 is boring.
Guys, I got 532 calls on my screen for June 13th. We are bearish right now. I'm just waiting for my I'm just playing my game plan. Remember, it's good to set off the first 5 minutes so you don't get faked out.
I'm not interested in being in the middle. That we're literally in the middle. So either we hit support, I hit calls, or we hit resistance and I hit puts. We're in the middle of the channel, guys. Just be patient.
Do you have any downtrend lines on your screen right now, Dimitri?
Yeah.
Mike, can you put them in the chat for me? Just see what you're looking at.
It's from the top of the range.
Perfect. Thank you. Guys, look at the picture Dimitri just posted. We don't want to be buying calls until we get a break of structure. Just because you have a level 4 calls does not mean it's going to work. It could end up being the best area for puts if it rejects.
Oh yeah, we're in the negative structure right now. Very bearish. Very bearish. This is support though. This is support, but I'm not buying into it. We could just make a lower low. This is a normal structure right now. We should make a lower low, guys. Once we make a lower low, I'm interested in buying calls. Let's get a lower low popping.
This is my level for calls, guys. I'm going to do a small position. I'm going to buy a little bit safer contracts. I'm going to go June 14th, 532 calls. I'm in right now, guys. I'm in at $4.56. My price target is going to be 533.42. I was just looking at the 30-minute time frame. As long as we don't break the low of this 30-minute candle, we do have a hammer candle in the 30-minute time frame. And this was my buy zone. So I'm going to be buying my zone until it's proven to be a resistance. I'm in extremely light. I'm in 532 calls, June 14th at $4.56. This is my
Beautiful.
range.
We just got a lower low,
Yeah.
guys. I'm about to be in. I'm in. We got that lower low. I'm in at 93 cents, 533 calls.
The way my EMA lines are set up right now and moving averages, guys, the next drop is to 531. So that's why I'm buying in at our previous. This is our buy range. These two red lines on my chart are buy, and I'm gonna be in this trade until I see a rejection. That's it.
Let's go. Let's go. Every single time we make a lower low, guys, we snap back. We need to make a lower high now. So we should be going a little bit higher. We do this every day. Don't forget it. Boom, boom, boom.
Look at that. Come on, baby. Flip up.
Boom, boom,
Tell me
boom. I'm up
533
7 cents.
turns to
Come
PCP.
on.
My only price target, guys, is previous closing price at 534. We need to hold this. This is the range that we need to hold. This is a bullish floor right now, bullish support. Let's see what we can do here.
My price target is POC, guys. If you're looking at my screen,
What number is that
POC is
for you two?
it's a little bit above VWAP. Beautiful.
Let's go.
And I'm out.
Good
I'm
trade.
out, guys. Beautiful. 10 cents right there. I don't need anything else. I just paid for my backyard. Let's go. Next.
Remember, if we lose this range, we're going to be going to the 531. I bought safer contracts, guys, to be able to hold in here. I'm still in this trade. I'm playing for the bigger win.
F32.95.
Just look at this range, guys. Look at Wednesday's range at this level, or Wednesday's range, Thursday's range, Friday's range, right? So we're playing this range until it's proven to not have a bounce. I personally size in lighter to be able to hold for a bigger win. That's it.
One more fresh low, guys, and I'm in calls again. I'm seeking for a divergence. Price is going down. MACD is going. One more fresh low. I'm doing a market order for calls immediately. We might get a bullish divergence coming. If you're looking at my screen, look at the MACD. One new low.
No news Mondays, guys. It's usually very slow, not too volatile. As long as you're buying in at the level, your pre-planned level, take the risk out. Take the stress away. Know where your entry is. Know where your stop out for profit is. Know where your stop out for losses.
Forget about a divergence, guys. No divergence. Mark is gonna break the floor and collapse, I think. Forget about a divergence. I'm not going calls. MACD is curling down. It's Thursday's lows. Be very careful, Steven. Be very careful. Mark wants to dump.
Yeah, I'm in
Be
on
very
it.
careful, guys. They want to dump, guys. Be very careful. Don't hold calls. I'm telling you, they want to dump. There's literally nothing below us. They do. No divergence, guys. No divergence. Market wants to dump hard. No divergence here. That's it.
I'm basing this trade off the 30-minute time frame, guys. So I'm only watching the 30-minute time frame, and this is a level we've been bouncing at previously. So until this level ends up rejecting, I'm just gonna hold. This was my game plan to buy this level, so I'm holding through it.
Look at the QQQ 5-minute chart. Look at the SPY 5-minute chart. Disgusting. Big difference. Guys, I have 533 puts on my screen. I want 533.25. So 25 more cents and I'm getting puts. If I get there. We should blow
think this
past
is gonna be
VWAP.
a
We
massive
should blow
fucking
past.
bounce, bro.
Yeah, we should blow past VWAP. Now the divergence just started. Look at the MACD, guys. Now the divergence just started. We should blow past VWAP. You guys can hold.
We're still in our
Holding
buy
hopes
range.
worked.
Yeah. You're just joining in. I'm in
We should blow.
532 calls, guys. Currently in 532 calls. For my video last night, this was our range. If you're looking at the 30-minute time frame, I'm in June 14th calls, 532 calls. My first price target is going to be the 533 30s to 533.50. Because if we lose this area, this is an open pocket for a full dollar down, right? So if we get stopped out here, we just know to swap sides because we know where it's going. That's why I'm buying. This is the best level to buy until it ends up being a resistance, and then it's going to be a free fall. We have no levels till 534. It's an empty pocket to 534, and then to the downside, it's an empty pocket to 531.85. No news Mondays. Could take a lot longer for plays to happen.
I'm sorry, Steven. I just got puts, guys. 107, I got filled. Same day's 533. QQQ just hit its 200 EMA on the 5-minute, and it dropped hard. I just got puts, guys. Sorry if you're in calls. You just gotta look at QQQ's chart also. Higher low. This could be a higher low. Let's see. QQQ's at rejecting at VWAP. This could be a higher low. I have my finger on market sell. Let's go. Boom, baby. I'm out. I'm out. 10 cents right there. Look at QQQ's chart, guys. This is why I entered.
I just doubled down, guys. $4.35. My stop loss is going to be 532.50. I'm using the pre-market low. If we hit that amount, if we do get stopped out, it's going to be a free fall all the way to 531.85. We either bounce. Even yesterday, Friday, we broke through. You see how we wick down, right? And it ends up, the candle ends up flipping green. This is our buy zone. So it's my buy zone until it's proven not to be. Again, I'm trading on the 30-minute time frame right now, guys. So keep that in mind.
Not looking good on the 1 minute, Steven. Be careful. Rejecting. Not looking good on the 1 minute, guys. Be very careful, guys. 1 minute looks disgusting. It's resistance on 1 minute.
My stop's already in, guys. 532.50 amount. History has shown us SPY bounces from here on three separate days. This is the level that SPY has broken down to and then has bounced from. So I'm just playing that based off the 30-minute time frame. I bought myself time with safer contracts. SPY does look weak right now, guys, but it's also looked weak every time we've been in this range. And then it has immense bounces from this range. That's the only reason why I'm in right now. Remember, I'm basing my trade on the 30-minute time frame, not the micro ones.
They're giving up, guys. Bears are giving up.
What's up, Toy Story? How you been, man?
Bears are
Oh, sorry,
giving
my
up.
mic was down. Sorry. You guys hear me better? I'm in 532 calls, guys. June 14th. 532 calls, June 14th. If you're watching my chart and you watched last night's video, this is my buy zone until it ends up rejecting. I'm bullish at this level. We have 3 separate days that it bounced from this level. That's why I'm in this level. And my price target is going to be 533.50, pretty much to the PCP at 534.01. It does look extremely bearish right now, guys, but it has looked bearish every time we've came down to this range. So I have a stop loss in play at 532.50. That's going to be my stop. And the stress is out, right? I'm either getting stopped out or this trade works. I'm buying in at a level that has shown us for massive bounces. I'm playing the massive bounce level. It may not be today. We could end up rejecting and go lower. The lower level that I have is 531.30s to 531 flat. There's an open pocket up and an open pocket down. So regardless of whatever side you're on, there's a big move that's going to happen to the upside or the downside.
Ooh, let's go. My Nvda shorts. Banking, baby. Anybody got shorts with me?
What is it at? Right. Yeah. Beautiful, bro.
Let's go. Look at that. I mean, I got a shit ton of them. That's why. So this is a great amount.
What are you holding to 100?
I don't know. I'm holding probably. I'll make 10K and I'm done. I'm halfway there. Guys, I got 532 puts on my screen. I want to see if this holds a support, and if this holds a support, we're gonna blow up. 3 more seconds. I'm in. I'm in. 153, 532 calls. Let's go. VWAP should break now, guys. This is gonna be my last trade of the day. Come on, let's go. Give me 10 cents.
As soon as we make 533.07 support, guys, we're going to get a nice pump. We're still floating in the range, right? We're floating in the 30-minute time frame range.
POC is support right now. POC is support. If it's not, I'm out. Look, we keep bouncing off of POC, guys. You see that?
Come on, pump, baby. Let's go. You know you want to. There's going to be a big move to the upper downside, guys. I'm telling you right now. It's going to be a massive move. We have open pockets. 533 to 534, and then 532.50 or 532.68 to pretty much 531.85. So pretty much $1 range in each direction.
Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Let's go. VWAP should break. Beautiful.
Guys, I'm already green on this trade. I'm holding. I want a bigger at play. I didn't hold it this
I'm
long to
also
make
holding.
peanuts.
Oh,
In the
beautiful. There you
money.
go,
In the
baby. There
fucking
you
money.
go. I'm out. Holy fuck. I got 15 cents on that.
Let's go, baby.
Woohoo! I'm done, guys. I'm done. There's no reason to trade. That's it, guys. I'm done. This is resistance. Sell. This is resistance. That's it. That's it. That's it. Price target hit. Boom. That's it, guys. And look at that. I am done.
Good job.
27 minutes, guys. You see that? 3 and done. Done, 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 done. Cheers. I'm done.
Anyone hold those calls with me? Strictly playing the 30-minute time frame. Just you make the same levels yourself, guys. You're going to see that on the higher time frame, it showed that this was the best area to be buying calls at. I think we hit 533.50 to that's what I see. The previous floor of yesterday is around that level, 533.50. This candle flip, 30-minute candle flip screen again, spies in a moon.
Break of structure is 533.25, guys. If that closes above, forget about puts. It's calls on dips. Right now, it's puts. Puts are gonna win right now, unless a break of structure. But structure is still bearish. Let's see. We need a break above.
Norville, what happened? I hope Apex gets this shit suit out of them. Oh, laggy. Warned you.
Orville, they don't want you to make money, buddy. They're gonna lag. They're gonna do whatever
They
it is.
probably do that once a week and say, "Oh, it's a system error."
GME effect of Robinhood 2-3 years ago.
Yep.
You guys think you're gonna pull out thousands of dollars with just putting in $18? I'm sorry. That was a beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful, beautiful.
My chart is telling me there's a lot more upside. But this is a bearish 30-minute candle so far. Okay, guys, I'm looking to start scaling out some because I'm in pretty good size right now. I just sold half at $4.64. My last ad was $4.34, so I made 30 cents on my last ad, my double down. And I want at least 533.40s out of this trade. We may not get it, okay? I sold half my position, guys.
Guys, I would get puts here, but I'm done playing. But I would get puts here, FYI. That's it. This thing is gonna die now. I would get puts. I'm out. No, I'm not playing anymore. My broker's closed. But I would get puts here. New low of day target. Boom, boom, boom.
This is where we can hold support and rip, dude.
533.25 needs to clear. If it doesn't clear, it's gonna make new lows.
Oh, this can be so super bullish right now. Holy shit, this thing could rip.
Right here. This level needs to clear. This is a very strong level, guys. I would clear all profits and do puts here.
This thing could freaking explode right now. If we break the high of this 30-minute candle, which means a new high of day, this thing's going to rocket. Let's go. Hurry up. 533.30s. 533.40. Okay, guys, I just trimmed 25%. I have 25% left I'm holding. 25% of my position. As Dimitri said, it has to break this level. If it doesn't, there's a lot of downside. But if it breaks this level, SPY's going to rocket.
Yes, it will.
Do it. Go. Go. Do it. Nice. Nice. Beautiful.
There you go. We're breaking
Okay,
it, but
guys.
we need to close above
I'm
it.
all out,
We're
guys.
failing.
$4.69. That was a beautiful trade. Beautiful fucking trade.
Price target hits in C.
I just made a fucking bag. Yo, guys,
Needs to
watch my chart. The reason I don't use indicators, all I'm doing is I'm playing what SPY has proven to be big bounces from before. I trade the 30-minute time frame, so we ended up buying safer contracts. We bought in our buy range. These two red lines was our buy range, right? The same game plan that we had. We bought here, but we don't know how high it's going to go to, so we always got to make sure you sell the move. But 532 calls right back in the money. Dimitri, good job. You caught like 4 freaking trades in that shit. Good job, everyone. I'm all out of calls. Officially all out of calls. But if we hold support here, guys, on the 30-minute time frame, you know where we're going. We're going to PCP 534.01.
very big level, guys. I'm telling you, risk to reward is in puts. Level breaks, get out. But this is the risk to reward is better in puts. I would be in puts here. I'm done though. Telling you, puts to either a lower low or a higher low. This is a beautiful risk to reward trade here.
That zone we're trading in, guys, 532.68 and 537 or 533.07. Both of them are confirmed support on the 5-minute time frame so far. So let's wait to see. We are at resistance, heavy resistance right now. We should be able to see a pullback, but if the bulls come up, we're gonna fly.
This level needs to close above, guys. This is the inflection point. It needs to close above. We're popping, but we need to close above it. If we fail, we're gonna go down. Huge level here. Oh, I want to get put so badly. My broker's closed.
Don't do it.
I would get puts here, guys. I'm done. Buddy,
Secure the bag.
I didn't even care about stocks all weekend, honestly. I literally charted 10 minutes before the market and I just made a bag.
Good.
I did not think 1 second of stocks Saturday, Sunday. I had such a hectic week.
Yo, Bless, did you get
Wow.
out of your calls yet? Anyone still holding runners on calls? We get a big pump here, guys.
Look at
This is
that.
gonna rocket to PCP. It's done it 3
Guys,
days
we're
in a
breaking
row.
structure. We're breaking structure. Beautiful. We're breaking structure. We're gonna rock it right now.
Good.
Boom. Right here is the target.
That's
Target
it.
number 1 is the sloping trend line. We broke structure on the 1 minute.
Perfect.
5 minutes has 3 more minutes. 1 minute we broke structure. Did you see where we rejected from? We rejected exactly from the trend line. The first time.
It's gonna break through the trend line.
We should. There's 2 more minutes, guys, on the 5-minute chart. We could break structure confirmation in 2 minutes, or we could just collapse. You need to give yourselves 2 minutes right now. 1 minute really doesn't count for the micro. Being very bullish. Yo, Ryan, are they doing the new iPhones? Anybody knows if the new iPhone will be revealed? Nice, nice. No, I
can't
just thought it
wait.
was gonna be the watches, the iPad, and all that shit.
I need a new phone so bad.
Me too. Can you buy me one?
I don't really want to buy a 15 though, because the 16's gonna be out in what, like 4 months?
It should be out today.
No, it usually drops in the fall. I thought iPhones always drop in the fall, don't they? Am I tripping out, guys?
Wow, look at that. Look at that. If we break this trend line, we're going straight to PCP, guys. We need to break this trend line. There's
Exactly.
no retest at all. Look how strong bulls are.
Dude, just look at the 30-minute time frame. Fucking bullish as hell, man. Right, right at that level. We've had bounces here for 4 days straight. Once we held this level support, guys, we had a big bounce. It could end right here. Right now, we're at the 21 EMA on the 30-minute time frame. This is my price target, 533.50s, but
Yep.
we do have PCP above. So if you're holding runners, that's on you.
Okay, break of structure is confirmed officially. We broke structure micro, guys. It's bullish. Avoid puts now. Now you guys can get calls on dips. Avoid puts. No puts at all. Trend is up now, officially. Hope you guys understand market structure. Golf. I'm not gonna go to the gym, but I got a spray paint in the bathroom. I'm not gonna lie. I'll see you guys later.
Live on YouTube. All right, bye.
I'll be back.
Are you guys starting to understand? Like, do you guys all understand why I took those calls, guys, at the bottom? Is everyone understanding it? How I was able to identify a pop before any indicator, right? The 30-minute time frame told me it was going to bounce here before any indicator possible. This is why I don't use indicators. Indicators could fake you out if you don't know how to use them properly. And we just use the history of SPY, right? SPY has shown us two bounce at 532.68 and 533.07 in the last 3 days. This is the reason why we ended up taking that trade. And what did I do? I ended up buying safer contracts. I'm not doing same days, 1 day out. I bought myself a few days out, so I'm able to hold for a bigger run up. Okay, from where I did my double down, guys, at the key level 532.68, I ended up selling these contracts at over 30-cent gain from just the double down, right? We're always buying and selling the move. We don't want to be holding, right? I don't care where this goes today. I made my daily goal. So when you are comfortable with the profit that you have and you have a good entry, you're able to sell the move. Right now, for sure, we could come back crashing down. We have heavy resistance above. If you're looking at my mouse right here, we pretty much, where these two candles on Friday, where we bounce from, we're currently rejecting from that same level right now, right? So you always need to know the first level of heavy resistance or heavy support, right? Regardless of which area you're in, you're always using your 5-minute time frame or whatever time frame you guys choose to use. You're always looking at floors and roofs, right? This level is a floor, and look exactly where we rejected from. We did still have a break of structure. This could still go higher. I still see us hitting previous close today, potentially, but guess what? I made my money for the day, and I don't need to hold past that. The trade setup worked. We almost made $1 from our double down to the high of day, which is the best trade so far. Use the 30-minute time frame. Look for bounces. You need to identify touch points. That's how we make our key levels. The most touch points, the most bounces, and the most rejections from a level or at a specific dollar amount. That's all we're doing. That's all I do. I'm using SPY's history. I use a history that SPY has shown me, and I just play what has happened previously, right? And it ends up working to be like 80% correct. I still, in 2024, I've not had a red month, and I'm keep doing the same thing, guys, and I don't use anything. I just use what SPY tells me. And sometimes this floor could have broke. Dimitri was 100% right. It could have broke. And I guarantee every indicator was saying that SPY is going to drop, right? But we are playing the macro time frame, the 30-minute time frame, and I bought the 30-minute time frame. I was trading watching the 30-minute time frame, and I bought safer contracts to hold, right? I ended up hitting the 21 EMA exactly where I told you guys in the 30 minutes. I'm like, this is exactly where we could reject from at 533.50s. And that's it. You just have to play. A lot of people overcomplicate trading, right? You never want to overcomplicate trading. You just want to get good at one thing and one thing only. Stop trading a million tickers. Stop trading a million strategies. Get good at one freaking strategy. That's all you got to do. Getting good at one strategy. Just play what the chart tells you. Play what history has shown you. And you're not going to be right all the time. Remember, you got to give yourself... I was telling the students in the masterclass last week, okay? Picture that you have 30 or 20 trading days, okay? So you have 20 trading days. 5 of those days are going to be red days. So you're allowed to have 5 red days a month. So if you have a red day today, be like, it's okay, that I've already planned for that. That's already penciled in that I'm allowed to have a red day. I'm still allowed to have 4 more, right? I'm just talking hypothetical, guys. But just know losing is a part of trading. So you need to get good at losing. It's okay to be red. You're never going to be right 100% of the time. No one is right 100% of the time. But all you got to do is just lose less than you make. And then you are profitable. That's how simple it is, guys. So the chart that I'm looking at right now, we're holding up 2 levels, right? We need this 30-minute candle to close green to get a continuation. If this candle closes red, I don't have too much high hopes. But so far, the chart's bullish. Why are we bullish? Because we bounced off of our where to buy calls at. My next price target, I told you guys, we're in an open pocket till PCP. PCP is 534.01. That was the previous floor of Friday. The previous resistance on after hours. If you're looking at my chart, you see the previous floor. Look at all the bounce wicks. Every time we come to it, we bounce, close above it, close above it, close above it, right? In the after hours, we were rejecting it. So this is my next price target, to test the previous floor to make it a resistance. That's why PCP is going to be my level to be doing shorts at. And I'm not touching shorts until my level hits. We could easily reject here. It doesn't matter. I am waiting for the previous floor to be retested. Previous floor, gap down, come up to it, we hit puts. Okay? It's that simple. That's all I'm doing. We're playing the history of SPY, guys. Indicators will fake you out sometimes. Be very, very careful. Indicators will fake you out. You need to know how to use them correctly. If you need help with them, Dimitri will help you. He has indicators. He will give them to everyone. If you want them for free, just DM me. If you want the POC, you want those clouds, you want the MACD and stuff, he'll do a course and he'll help, right? If you guys want anything, that's it. I'm not hitting puts until 534.01. 534.01 was the previous floor of Friday. So when we gap down from a previous floor, we come back up to a previous floor. We're anticipating that it's now going to be a roof which is where we could see the pullback happen at 534. Until then, that's it for me, guys. YouTube, I'm gonna shut this down. Thank you to all of my 4 people who watched. But if you guys need anything, I put my email in the chat if you guys have any questions or whatnot. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care.